Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here with a set of Supertrapp Fat Shots 2-into-1s. This exhaust is really cool. I'm a big fan of Supertrapp's technology, the diffuser discs. If you don't know about these, what they do is you stack them up and they allow certain levels of back pressure running through the system. It's a really cool system. They've done it for years. They've used it on boats and cars and now motorcycles. Harley-Davidson has used this technology on their Screaming Eagle stuff as well. We're going to put this on our 2019 Murdered Out bagger, and we're going to put it on the Dyno right over here. The Supertrapp Fat Shots 2-into-1 retail for $9.59 and come in chrome and black. We reconnected the oxygen sensors to the wiring harness and made sure everything was tight before we hit the dyno. We mounted the head pipes using the stock flange nuts. We attached the muffler to the sport using 5/16 bolts and lock washers. We aligned the exhaust and tightened the rest of the hardware up as well. This 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 motor is 76 horsepower and 98 foot-pounds of torque from the factory. With this 2-into-1 installed, it made 77 horsepower and 102 foot-pounds of torque. Like we stated before, for a complete power package, you definitely need a high flow intake and a tuner and a dyno tune to make it all happen. Stay tuned for the next video when we actually install a high flow intake and give this thing a real dyno tune.